like? Click!
Halloween's bringing a horde of sprunky skeletons. Make these cute yet spooky creatures for Halloween. Hit the like button and learn how to make them. Let's make a skull out of colored paper. Fold it in half along the dotted line. Pressing with your fingernail ensures the fold looks neat. Fold along the 2 dotted lines. Fold the 2 dotted lines one more time. Unfold the folded paper. Turn it vertically and fold it in half. Unfold it again and fold along the 2 dotted lines. Fold both bottom corners. Fold it inward. Fold inward along the dotted line. Flip the paper over and fold the 4 corners along the dotted lines. Now unfold all 4 corners that were folded. Fold the corners into a triangular shape, then shape it in the opposite direction from how you folded it. Phew, this part was the hardest for me. Now I'll fold the small square into a triangle. Pull out the paper that was folded inward. Shape it into a box form and fold the paper inward again. Fold along the dotted line. Use your fingers to shape it and ensure smooth movement. Let's complete the craft by drawing a picture. How about it? Fold paper with your friends, draw fun pictures, and play together. Happy Halloween to all my friends!